So now that I have a problem that I'm trying to solve, which is do Year 11s or Year 9s tend to run faster in the 1500 metre race on Athletics Day, and remembering that the population is all of Year 11s and Year 9s that competed. For the purpose of this example video, we're going to pretend that every single Year 11 and every single Year 9 participated in the 1500 metre race, and that makes up our population. But when we're exploring the data, we're only going to be looking at a sample, which isn't all of the data. And so in my plan section, I need to talk about a couple things. Where did the data come from? Who was involved in its collection process? And where did I get my sample from? And who's in the sample? So to answer the first two questions, who collected the data and when was the data collected? I can write a sentence like this. The data was collected by staff and students at Northcote College's Athletics Day on the 6th of March, 2026. The participants of the 1500 metre are current Year 9s and Year 11s at Northcote College. So that's these two questions answered. How was the data collected? And include a copy of the data collection plan. So this is referring to a plan that is provided so that when the data is collected, it's collected by everybody in the same way. So prior to your writing your real report for the assessment, all the Year 11 classes will follow a plan to collect some data. And to make sure that across all the classes we collect it in the same way, we need to follow the same plan. So in this example, I was given a plan about how to collect data for a 1500 metre race, and I literally will just copy paste it from the document given to me. So that'll look like this. So the data was collected using the following plan. And then I just copy paste the plan that I've been provided. So you'll be given this plan as a digital copy for your real assessment. Not this one, but the one that we will use to collect the data. So this covers everything like that the ground staff are going to outline a racetrack that's 300 meters in length. We're going to split the participants up into groups. They should be in their PE uniform. All the minute details about what we need to do to collect the data for Year 9s and Year 11s running the 1500 metre race are all in this plan here. And I didn't have to write this. This is provided to me. I just need to make sure it's in my plan. So this part is now done. How did you get your sample, and what was the size of each group in your sample? So to answer that, in the real situation that you will experience during your assessment, you will fill out a form that requests a sample, and you get to choose how big that sample is and what kind of data you're looking for. In this scenario, for this hypothetical report, I'm going to say that I asked the sports coordinator to provide me with a sample. So that's how I was provided my sample. And I could write a sentence like this. To receive my sample, I asked the sports coordinator to provide me with a sample of the 1500 metre results. And this is where I say how many are in each group, so consisting of 100 Year 9s and 100 Year 11s. You will get to choose the size of your sample, anywhere from, I guess, technically 0 to 100 for each group, and I wanted 100 in each of my groups. So that answers these two questions now, which means that I've done all I need to do for now in the plan.